Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. So today I'm going to show you a very quick video about how to make the easiest dinner. So if you guys watched our video the other day, we did a brown butter cauliflower. So today we are doing Fettucine Alfredo Primavera, which is just a Alfredo sauce with some, what we're using is corkscrew noodles. I am adding some mushrooms, some Alfredo sauce that is heating, the cauliflower, and some fresh broccoli and some fresh chicken. That's all there is to it. Super, super simple. This freezes amazingly. You can put it in these little containers that I'll show you, or you can do it into vacuum seal bags. It is absolutely delicious, super simple, and very, very quick. Okay, so here we have the corkscrew noodles, the mushrooms, the Alfredo sauce is cooking, and the chicken and the broccoli and the cauliflower that was cooked in brown butter just a day ago. So let's put this all together and have an amazing dinner. Okay, and of course our Italian sourdough garlic bread that has garlic on it and some Parmesan cheese. Okay, you guys, so this is the end result. I have mostly pasta, the Alfredo sauce, and the vegetables. Only a couple pieces of chicken and the garlic cheese bread, the garlic Parmesan cheese bread. So thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. So the word of the day today is going to be Alfredo. Comment the word of the day, make sure that you're subscribed, and we are giving away another vanilla from Mexico. This is all natural. There are no preservatives in this vanilla. So if you want to win the vanilla, just comment below, make sure that you're subscribed, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.